Humans suffer from relational disruptions, not psychopathology. Oh, for years I taught courses on psychopathology. I wish I could go back and teach them from a humanistic and relational perspective, how things that look pathological to us are really how a person is suffering from a relational disruption. In a relationally focused integrative psychotherapy, emphasizes a non-pathological perspective in understanding people's behavior. Discomforting physiological and emotional symptoms, entrenched belief systems, obsessions and compulsive behaviors, aggression or social withdrawal are all examples of creative attempts to satisfy relational needs and resolve disruptions in interpersonal contact.